Hello out there, YouTube friends. I'm Cindy. This is SincerelyCindiSettle. It's a Stitch Fix day. Okay, so we're gonna dig right in, see what we have in my Stitch Fix. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, I'll have a description down in the description bar along with the referral code for at least $25 credit towards your first purchase. Sometimes it's up to 50 bucks, so you may want to check it out if you've never tried Stitch Fix before. So the last time I had Stitch Fix, I had a possible 5 for 5. So I will post that video up above. I ended up not keeping everything. I only kept 2 items from that box, but I did have a new stylist at that time, so I was really excited about it. I did choose all 5 of those items from the preview. This time I wasn't quite as impressed with the preview, I'll just be honest. I did only keep 1 item, and those are a pair of boots. So we will get to those in just a second. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for checking it out today. I hope you will consider subscribing, hitting the like button, the notification bell, all of those good things. And as always, I love hearing from you guys. So make sure that you leave some comments letting me know what you think I should keep, what looks good, what doesn't look good. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for being here and for checking out this video. So let's get right into this Stitch Fix. All right, so we're gonna start off with a pair of jeans. These are a boot cut, if I remember right. They are a dark wash, which I like a dark wash. I do like darker washes for work with limited distressing, and these definitely fit that bill. So when I sent my style note this time, I was asking for some wide-legged jeans, only because, and you probably haven't, well, you may have, you're gonna see it before this video launches. In my last Trendsend, which I will also link up above, I had a pair of wide-legged, lighter wash jeans that I liked, but I didn't love them. They just didn't fit quite right. There was something that needed, I don't know, it just wasn't quite right. So in my note to Stitch Fix, I did indicate that I was looking for a pair of light collared wide leg jeans, and they sent me a boot cut dark wash. So that's kind of unfortunate. All right, so here we have it's like a sweatshirt type of material. It is kind of a fuzzy, velvety feeling sweatshirt. It's a dark gray color, which I like the color. Not sure how I like that texture. It feels very soft. Just not sure if I'm going to love that, but we will try it on and see. Then we have something black. You guys know how I am with black. I have so much black, but I like it. I feel like it looks good on me. I did like this one when I went to, it wasn't part of the preview. If you guys don't know, you can go to the checkout after they have sent it to you. Like after it has shipped, you can go to checkout and look at your items without actually checking out. So this was a cute asymmetrical, not really cold shoulder, but it does have some cutouts on it. So I thought that was very different and cute and unique, and not like something that I already have in my closet. So I was excited about that one. And then we have this rust color, which I love this color, blouse. I think it's a blouse, yes. I'm not sure. I like the collar. I'm not sure about everything else about it. It might be kind of shapeless, to be honest with you. Just looking at it like this. But we'll see how it goes. And then let's pull out these boots. So also in my note, I indicated that I was looking for a pair of light colored thigh-high, actually not thigh-high, over-the-knee boots. So I did go ahead and keep these from my preview. So this is what those look like. They are going to be over the knee, and they are like a suede type of material. I love the color. So we'll try these on, see how it goes. I'll be right back. All right, so I feel like we're off to a pretty good start. So I went ahead and just kept on these cut from the cloth jeans that I have, that I bought, I don't know, about a year ago from Trendsend. I went ahead and kept these on. These are more of a skinny jean. I wanted to try the boots on with them, but I thought it would look cute with this black top. So the black top is very, very comfortable. I do love the strategic cutouts. I love that you can wear a regular bra with it. It is an elbow length sleeve. It is lined, so I'll be honest, it took me a minute to figure that out. It's completely lined, like all the way, the front and the back. So it does have 2 layers in there. Let me show you. So it's kind of like a lightweight sweater material, and then a second layer of the lightweight sweater material right underneath it. So I'm not sure if you can see that real well. I did have a front tuck there. You can see that it's rather long if you were to wear it out, which I don't think that looks bad either. It would look good all the way tucked in as well with a cute belt. I don't know, girls, I'm kind of liking this. I know it's black, but it's different from anything else I have in my closet. I feel like it's just very different and unique and gives a little bit of sex appeal here. I'm not a fan of just a cold shoulder. We've talked about that before, but I feel like this is a little bit more unique. Just the one side, and then you have a little cutout here. I'll get a little bit closer. So look how cute that cutout is. And like I said, no bra straps on either side, so you can wear a regular bra with it. Cute open shoulder. Okay, so you can see the bra a little bit there. Sorry. But look how cute. I just think it's very cute. I love that the sleeves are an elbow length sleeve. I love that it's lined. I feel like it looks cute in or out. Let me do a quick turnaround. I like it. I hope it's not too expensive. Let me know what you guys think. So now we're going to talk about the boots. So I've been looking for over-the-knee boots for a while. I have a pair of black ones from Torrid that I like, but I don't wear them very much. They do have quite a high heel on them, and I do require a wide calf knee-high boot. I just have wide calves. So I went to Torrid to get them. I felt like the wide calf would be better for me, but they're a little bit too wide, so they're kind of, there's some space in between my leg and the boot. But these are fitting very snug, very comfortable. Let me pan down so you can see these. So look how cute these are. Very neutral collar, very reasonable heel. It does have a block heel. It has a pointed toe. Well, not even like a rounded pointed toe. Like I said, they are like a suede type of material. They feel very secure over the knees. I don't feel like I would be pulling them up all the time. They do have a zipper on the inside of each boot. So they're very, very comfortable. I'm surprised. I don't feel like my calf is popping out of, you know, like they're ready to break the seam on the boot because my calf is so big. So I really, really like these as well. Let me know what you guys think. What has your experience been with over-the-knee boots? So I think they look cute with jeans, with leggings, with dresses. I just think it's a very cute look. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, next 2 items. So we have this very pretty rust-collared top with the dark jeans. So I do love the color of this. I like the ruffles going down the front. You do have a nice loose sleeve with an elastic wrist here. It is a V-neck. Again, it does have the ruffles going around the neck as well. I like it. I really like the collar. I just feel like if I didn't have the front tuck here, it's kind of shapeless. So let me take this out to show you. So that's what it looks like out. So I don't know. It's very thin material. It does have working buttons, it looks like, and they're very cute. They're covered buttons. I'll show you those in just a second. Let's tuck this back in and we'll do a quick turnaround. So let's get a little bit closer. So there you can get a better idea of the color of this top. So it is more of a split neck instead of a V-neck. But like I said, it does have that ruffle going all the way around and down the top. The buttons are covered. They're like a bronzy type of small button there. but they are functioning buttons. It is very wrinkled. So I'm sure that this is probably some sort of rayon material. I should have learned my lesson a couple weeks ago when I tried to identify some materials and I was way off. So I do like this, I just don't love it. I like the collar, I just wish the fit was a little bit different. So not sure that this one's going to be a keeper, but like I said, I do like the collar. So let's talk about the jeans. So the jeans are very, very high-waisted. So these are coming up above the belly button. They are a dark wash. I feel like the fit is very good. These are meant to be worn with heels, either that or someone who's about 6'1", 6'2". They do have, and I'll show you in just a second, they do have like a flare look to them. I'll probably need to try on booties with them just to get a better idea as to whether or not I will like them. So let me go get those. I'll be right back. Hey y'all, so after putting on the booties, I am kind of liking the jeans, but I need your opinion. So my husband is not a big fan of the bell-bottom look. I feel like they're more like a boot cut, but they are rather wide down there at the bottom. And I'm not sure if they're pulling, like pulling, not like pulling down, but like pulling as in like pulling at the bottom of the feet. Does that make sense? Like P-O-O-L-I-N-G, pulling at the, too much at the ankle. So let me know what you guys think. I think the dark wash is very nice. I like that it's a little lighter here. I like the little slit there at the seam, if you can see that down at the booties. I think that's a cute little detail as well. I feel like the fit is really nice. I feel like it hugs me in all the right places. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know. Lots of good stuff in this one too. I'm rather surprised. So good job, Savannah. This is Savannah's second box with me. So let's try on the last shirt and then we'll do a quick wrap up. All right, so last top. I feel like it's a good fit. It's comfortable. There's really nothing special about it. It's kind of a grayish tie-dye looking top. It does have that velvety feel to it, like a blanket almost kind of feel. It's a little bit long in the sleeves, but that doesn't bother me. Oh, I might have another 5 for a 5. The only thing, again, I'm not loving really is the shirt, the rust colored shirt. Let's look at this. I mean, it's kind of simple, but it's very soft and very cute. It's not overly heavy. I don't feel like it's shapeless, like it's just hanging there. It does have a little bit of banding here at the bottom as well as on the wrists. I do wish the sleeves were just a little bit shorter, but it looks like I can fold that without too much trouble. What do you guys think? Just a casual top for the weekend? It's kind of cute. Let's look up here. So you can see that tie-dye look. Tie-dye might be on its way out, though. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, let's do the wrap-up and check out some prices. All right, here we are with the wrap-up. So let's get right to it. So let's start with the boots. So I did really like the boots. I thought the fit was really cute. I am going to try them on with pants with like a dress to see how they fit on the leg, to see if they do have a tendency to fall over the, down below the knee as opposed to staying over the knee. Those are $110, so a little bit pricey, but I will say I did a little Google search and I did find them on Nordstrom Rack for about $74. So if I go with those, I probably won't go with them with Stitch Fix. I will probably put them on my Christmas list and send my husband the link. But I am going to check them out first and maybe wear them around the house a little bit to make sure that they do not fall underneath the knee. Next we have the jeans. So these were a pleasant surprise. So I thought these were really cute. I like the unique little slit right here. I am a little bit concerned about the length. You do have to wear some heels with them. I feel like the heels I was wearing were just high enough to where they weren't dragging on the ground. I do have heels that are a little bit higher. I don't wear a higher heel a whole lot, but I do have some heels that are a little higher. I did like those. Let me know what you guys thought. Those were $99. My Google search has them pretty consistent at $99 in other places as well. So then we have the Mason & Bell Valerie Ruffle Detail Satin Top. Satin. So I wasn't a huge fan of this. I do like the collar. I think the collar is very becoming on me. It is $48, but I do think I am going to pass on that. Then we have the black top. Again, this is one that I really liked as well. This would be really cute with the jeans with a pair of black booties, or even brown booties would be cute as well with a black or brown belt. This is by Gold Ray. It is the Garima Asymmetrical Cold Shoulder. It is $48. I feel like that's a reasonable price for something with these cute little details, and it's lined like it is. I feel like it's very good quality. And then lastly, we have this little number. Again, it was very comfortable, just not sure that I loved it or that I need it, but it is the by Nine Britain. It is the Dahlia Brushed Knit Top in Pewter. It is $46. So very nice, very cute. Not sure if the tie-dye is on its way out, and I don't really, do I really need it? So the big question is the black shirt and the jeans, I think. Those are the two that I'm vying for the most. Like I said, the boots I will probably put on my wish list if I like them after I try them on with leggings and with bare legs. So the total of this box was $351 with my discount of 25%. I would save $87.75 if I forgot to mention it. If you do buy all 5 items, then you do get a 25% off discount. That would leave my total at $263.25. So not a bad box if I were to buy all 5 items. All right, so as always, again, let me know what you think. I love hearing from you guys. I will have a book review up soon, and I do think I am going to order another Dia & Co box, and I am going to maybe try the Rocks box, the jewelry box, whatever that one's called, because I am in need of some updated jewelry to go with my updated wardrobe. So I love hearing from you guys. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you guys soon. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I'm signing out. Mwah.